Hello, today I want to talk about multiplying polynomials. So your learning target is I can multiply polynomials. So just some background information. X plus x is 2x. And when you add these, you want to add coefficients. But if you multiply where x times x, you get x squared. So when you multiply, you want to add the exponents. So there's a 1 here and a 1 here, so you end up with 2 x's. Okay, so what does that mean? It means if you try to add x squared plus 2x, the answer is the same because they are not like terms. You can't put them together. Okay, but if you were to try to multiply x squared times 2x to the third, even though the exponents are different, you're still going to multiply the coefficients. So the coefficients are 1 times 2. And over here, you're going to multiply 2x's, and you're going to multiply that by 3x's. So in total, you have 2, that's 1 times 2, x to the 5th, because you have 2 plus 3 is 5x's. Okay, so let's apply some of this now. We're going to multiply and find the product. Okay, so in this, I'm multiplying -6 times x plus 2. And notice this is set up in parentheses because I can't combine x plus 2. And what you're going to do is you're going to distribute. Using the distributive property, you're going to multiply -6 to each of these. So the first one is -6 times x is -6x. And then -6 times 2 is -12. Okay, so the next one is going to be 3x times x to the 4th. And again, you're going to distribute. So we're going to multiply by both. 3x times x is going to be 3x squared. And 3x times 4 is going to be 12x. That's 3 times 4, and there's also the x. Okay, and the last one is going to be 2x squared times 3x minus 1. Again, you're going to distribute the whole thing. And this is going to be 2 times 3 is going to be 6. And in this case, we're adding the exponents. So this is 1, this is 2. So it's going to be x to the third. And then minus 2x squared times -1 is just going to be minus 2x squared. It's going to be itself, right? Okay. Okay, so the last way this is going to look is if you have to multiply a binomial times a binomial. So each of these have 2 parts. And this is also called double distributing. And if you distribute each one of these twice, you're going to get 4 products. And then you have to combine like terms. This is called FOIL because you're going to multiply the first, multiply the outer, multiply the inner, multiply the last. So what does this look like? Okay, so the first ones are 2x times x. And this is going to be 2x squared. That's the first product. And then the outside products, the outsides are going to be 2x minus 2. So 2x times -2 is -4x. And then the inner multiplication is going to be 3 times x. And 3 times x is, well, that's just 3x. And this is positive, right? And then the last one, the last terms is 3 and -2. So 3 times -2 is going to be -6. Okay, so we have 4 products. And then it says that we're going to combine like terms. And our like terms are right here. So we're going to combine these into -x. And we're just going to bring down the rest, 2x squared and then -6. So our final answer is 2x squared minus x minus 6.